edge of dawn on the silent shore, silver mist where the waves restore. I hear a song from the ancient tide, a whispered truth I cannot hide. The wind knows tales of stone and flame. Every road calls out my name. When the ocean calls my name, I will follow through the flame, through the storm, through endless blue. Every wave leads back to you. When the ocean calls my name, I am free, I am the same. In the deep where old songs roam, the sea is my heart, the sea my heart.